This recipe takes 25 minutes to prepare and serves 4 to 6 people. Bubbling, gooey Oaxaca and Chihuahua cheeses are baked with spicy, crisped Mexican chorizo, sautéed onions, and poblano or jalapeño for a smoky, savory, slightly spicy appetizer that's perfect for sharing. Finish with fresh cilantro and diced tomato. Serve with warm corn tortillas or sturdy chips and enjoy that irresistible cheesy pull. Fast, festive, and totally craveable. Let's now check the ingredients. 12 ounces Oaxaca cheese shredded, 8 ounces Chihuahua or Asadero cheese shredded or Monterey Jack as a substitute, 8 ounces Mexican chorizo, casings removed, 1 small white onion, finely chopped, 1 poblano pepper seeded and diced, or 1 to 2 jalapeños finely chopped, 1 garlic clove, minced, 1 small ripe tomato, diced, optional for topping, 2 tablespoons chopped fresh cilantro for garnish, corn tortillas or tortilla chips for serving, lime wedges for serving, optional, salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste, neutral oil if needed. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Preheat oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius. Place a 9-inch cast iron skillet or small baking dish on a sheet pan for easy handling. Prep ingredients. Remove chorizo casings and crumble. Shred Oaxaca and Chihuahua cheeses. Finely chop onion. Seed and dice poblano or jalapeño. Mince garlic. Dice tomato if using. Cook chorizo in a skillet over medium heat, 5 to 7 minutes until browned and slightly crisp, breaking it into small bits. Transfer to a plate. Leave 1 tablespoon of rendered fat in the pan. In the same skillet, sauté onion and poblano with a pinch of salt 3 to 4 minutes until softened. Stir in garlic for 30 seconds until fragrant. Remove from heat. In the baking dish, toss shredded cheeses together. Fold in half the chorizo and vegetable mixture, spread evenly. Sprinkle remaining chorizo and veggies on top for a browned, flavorful crust. Bake 10 to 12 minutes until the cheese is fully melted and bubbling around the edges. For extra color, switch to broil for 1 to 2 minutes, watching closely so the cheese blisters but does not burn. Remove from oven. Top with diced tomato and cilantro. Taste and add a pinch of black pepper or salt only if needed. Chorizo and cheese are already salty. Warm corn tortillas or sturdy tortilla chips. Serve the queso fundido immediately. Scoop into tortillas or dip chips, working quickly while it's hot and stretchy. If it begins to firm up, return to the oven a few minutes to remelt. Leftovers reheat well under the broiler. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.